Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode where today we're reviewing an LED table lamp with built-in wireless charging pad and alarm clock. And you guys are currently watching CrewElite. Today's episode, we're taking a look at a table lamp or desk lamp from the company Hocwell. And this has RGB lighting. It's even an alarm clock. You can actually see the time with this. It also has a wireless charging station or base. So if you wanted to, you could charge your phone, you could charge your earbuds, you could charge any other device that supports wireless charging. And then on top of that, the LED lamp that's actually built in with this desk lamp is on a flexible gooseneck kind of material, which means you can flip it, you can turn it around, you can twist it, and basically set it at any direction or angle you want it to. But before we actually get started with this Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts when we do upload. Have any questions or concerns, leave a comment, enjoy the video, leave a like, and also share this video to anybody who may be interested in some sort of table lamp with a gooseneck feature. And then lastly, product information, specifications, and details will be listed down below in the description for those who are interested, alongside with the link to make a purchase if you're interested in buying this table lamp. But right now, what we're going to do is actually move over to the first look and unboxing portion of this video. As you guys can see, the packaging is very interesting with this product as I spin it around. And what I'm going to do is actually move this over to a secondary camera angle so you guys can have a closer shot at this product. So on the front of the box, it just says suitable for study and work table lamp with wireless charger and night light. And you guys can see this is a visual representation of the night lamp itself. And you guys can see it's easy to adjust, wireless charging. And the wireless charging is 5 watts. And then there's also 3 different levels you can set the lighting to for the LED light. And on this side, it just shows you all the different brightness adjustments you can make with this table lamp, and also the wireless charging that I keep talking about. And on the back side, it just explains a few different features about this and explains all these different parameters like I already mentioned. And on this side, you guys can see we also have our RGB light control and illumination angle adjustments you can make with the gooseneck kind of, light stand that this LED lamp is actually on. But let's just proceed with the unboxing and actually cracking up this, cracking open the box, I should say. So I'm going to open up the flap. And what we're going to do is actually face it on its side so I can actually pull it out here. Let's remove all this packaging material. There we go. And what I'm going to do is actually set aside this for now so we can take a look at our different accessories. We got a warranty card just like so, and then we also have this nice little user manual. It looks like I have it upside down. And then inside this bag we just simply have our AC adapter cable that you just supply it with power. But now let me actually unwrap this. This is how it looks like. There is going to be a plastic film that you can remove right here, but I already removed mine. This is how the bottom looks like, as you guys can see. Very nice padding. Our wireless charging station is right here in the middle. This is our LED light right here. And we also have all our different media buttons and controls and functionalities right here. And to utilize that built-in battery that's actually in here, so that if your power goes off and you want to keep your clock settings set just the way it was, you do need to pull this out. So now it's actually activated. I could rotate, I could twist it, I could turn it any direction. And what's nice about that is, let's say if I was working here and was working on a paper or something and I needed a light to see, once I was done, all I gotta do is just kind of move it off to the side and now it's out of my way. So that's what I like about the gooseneck feature, because you can easily rotate it, set it to any angle or direction you want, and face it any direction. So it's really nice to see that gooseneck feature with this lamp. But now, why don't we actually proceed to our testing and demo part of the video where we actually plug this in and actually test out this lamp. So what I'm going to do is actually grab an extension cable, and let's grab our cable here. Let me plug this into one of these ports. Now let's actually plug this into the back of this. Let's see where it is. There we go. plug it in. Let's take a look at some of the features that are actually built into this lamp before we actually take a look at the lamp itself. So yeah, I'm actually looking through the user manual just to see how you actually set up the clock, but let me show you guys the buttons that are on the back. So the button that's actually on the very top, I don't know if you guys can see that. If you click on it, that's actually gonna power off the screen. So if I click it, you guys can see the screen brightness kind of goes down. This button that's actually on the side right here, I don't know if you guys can see that. This actually is what you use to actually set the alarm clock. So what I'm gonna do is face this onto the main camera. And as you guys will see, once I click it, you guys can see all those different pieces kind of changing right now. And I can go in and actually set the time if I wanted to. And then on the side also, there is a button that's like the M. I don't know if you guys can see the M, but if you click on that, that is actually our alarm setting. So if I click on that, you can go in and actually change the alarm times and actually configure that to fit your needs exactly the way you want it. The bottom here, there's up and down arrows that you can click up and down to set the time. So depending on whatever time you want to set your alarm clock or clock to, you will use those up and down arrows to set and configure the time. But now let me actually power on this desk lamp, and there is a power button right here for the LED lamp itself that you just click on and it'll start turning on. So right now we have it at the lowest setting, and you can actually switch between warm light and cool light with this, and I'll show you guys how to switch between the two. So if we click it again, it gets a little bit more brighter. Click it again, it gets more brighter, and you guys can see it's lighting up everything right now, which is really nice. Let's try these different modes out. So you guys can see it's getting brighter. Now it's completely off. Click it again, it starts getting brighter and brighter, and then if I hold down, it starts switching between all the different color temperatures. So you guys can see it's changing from a warm, it's going into like a medium, and now it's a cool light. So it's really neat. I love that you're able to kind of customize it and get this light however you want it. But now let's take a look at the RGB lighting. So for the RGB lighting, there's another button for that, and it's this button right here. If you click on it, it's going to light up the base. So you guys can see this is the RGB lighting. Look at that. Look how cool that is. So right now we have it like at a green, and it's going to start cycling between all the various different colors. And since I don't have like a wireless charging enabled phone or device, I can't really test out this wireless charger pad, but I do, however, have a pair of earbuds that does support wireless charging. And essentially all you need to do is actually set whatever you're charging on top of this logo in the middle right here. I don't know if you guys can see that light that's flashing in the middle. It's letting me know it's actually charging up this pair of earbuds. And then also I do want to show you guys one more thing. On the side right here, if you do have something plugged into or on top of that wireless charging station, it's going to light up green. If it starts flashing green, that means it's actually successfully charging. But if it starts flashing red, that means it's actually having a charging failure. So make sure you do keep that in mind if you are going to start charging your phone or other devices on top of this charging station. But overall, you guys can see how practical a product like this is. Like, look at that. Can start doing stuff, increase the brightness, turn it off, change the color, temperature. There we go. Now we have a very cool industrial look. And then with this charging, base station with the RGB lighting, it just gives off a really nice effect overall. I really love this product. And then on top of that, it's a clock and an alarm clock. So you can use it to wake up in the morning. You can use it to see the time and the temperature even, and the date. So there's a lot of features baked into this clock, desk lamp, whatever we want to call it, because it's essentially 3-in-1, right? We have a wireless charging station, a clock, and a light. Yeah, so basically it's a 3-in-1 product. But right now what we're going to do is actually move over to the final opinions and remarks and actually end off this video. So, one of my final opinions and remarks about this desk lamp from the company Hocwell. Well, you guys can see it's a fantastic product. There's a lot of features baked into it. There's a lot of different capabilities. And what I love the most is this gooseneck kind of feature. I could basically virtually have this light facing any direction. Look at that. Now it's facing on me and giving me a nice glow and making me look really nice and presentable. But then on top of that, I feel like this product would be most beneficial for college students or anybody who works in the office a lot, but essentially you could still technically use this as a night lamp. You can use it as on your nightstand. You can use it in a lot of different scenarios, honestly. But that is going to wrap up our video for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode, and if you guys did enjoy, make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts when we do upload. Have any questions or concerns, leave a comment. Enjoy the video, leave a like, and also share this video out to anybody who may be interested in some sort of desk lamp. Also, if you're a business or company wanting to potentially work with me, our business inquiries email is CrewElite@outlook.com. You guys can shoot me a message if you want to potentially work with me, or if you need any photo assistance with this product, you guys are all welcome to do so by contacting me through my business inquiries email. And then lastly, product information, specifications, and details will be listed down below in the description for those who are interested, alongside with the link to make a purchase if you're interested in buying this product. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode. I know I did making this video, and I hope to see you guys all on the next episode. CrewElite signing off. Thank you guys all for watching, and have a good rest of your day.